I'm Nick Bonner, and today we're going to talk about how to use a porter wrap to lower a limb with a single groundsman. The porter wrap is probably the best rigging tool ever invented, allowing a single person to easily and without very much complication lower really big loads. We'll go ahead, we'll get a half or a single wrap depending on how you define that. All right, Ryan, I'm ready to go. All right, it's a fairly big piece that we were able to really easily catch and control. Ryan, you think it's going to make it through? So you hear Ryan calling from the canopy to let it down some, and as you see, I'm able to really easily just pay rope into the porter wrap and lower this piece of wood down from above the shed here. You see, I'm going to step over here. Moving underneath, Ryan. I'm gonna grab the tip, and as I walk back towards the camera, you'll see that I'm able to really easily control this piece of wood and lower it to the ground safely, without any risk of hitting the building or damaging a structure.